I take a look at this question. And this question was asked in JEE Advanced 2026 paper 2. Okay. So please read the question. Let A, B, C be positive integers. Positive integers in arithmetic progression. So which are A, B, C are in AP. So what is the condition for arithmetic progression? If three numbers are in AP, then 2B is equal to A plus C, such that the equation has only integer solutions. That means roots, for example, take the roots as alpha comma beta. These are integers. These are integers. Now, which of the following statements are true? So take a look at the question. First, we will solve this part. So he is saying that the AP arithmetic progression and integer solutions. Okay. So this will gives the rest of the solutions whether they are correct or incorrect, we can decide. So first, the given equation was ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are positive integers along with a, b, c are in AP, arithmetic progression. So 2b is equal to a plus c. This is the one solution. Let alpha comma beta are roots or solutions of the equation, and they mentioned that it is integers and are integers and are integers. Okay. So for integers means there are three conditions available, whether they will be positive, maybe 0 or negative. So which one we should assume these alpha beta are either positive or negative or 0. So we will decide by the general conditions alpha plus beta, which is the sum of the roots, minus b by a, and product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to c by a from this quadratic equation. If the numbers both are added together, I mean solutions are added together, we are getting negative. If you are multiplying, it is positive. So minus b by a, of course it is, but given that a, b, c are positive integers, that means a comma b are positive, Okay, here also A, B, and C are positive in both conditions. But the sum, if you do addition of the values, then you are getting minus B by A. So what it indicates? So alpha, beta, both are alpha, comma, both alpha, beta, A, B are positives. Okay, but minus B by A. The sum is minus B by A. So that why alpha, beta are negative numbers. Both are negative numbers. Here also negative into negative, it will be a positive quantity like C by A. Okay. So let us take alpha is equal to minus m and beta is equal to minus n. Okay. Now we will substitute the values, these two values in the equations. Then minus m minus n is equal to sum of the roots minus b by a, where m comma n are positive values, positive integers, or z plus you can write. And minus m and minus n, the product of the roots is c by a. So from that, m plus n is equal to b by a and mn is equal to c by a we have finally. Okay, got it? Now, what we can do, we will use these values in the arithmetic condition. Okay, let's do that. So from this m plus n is equal to b by a, we can write b equal to a of m plus n and a mn is equal to c. We will substitute these values, in 2b is equal to a plus c. So 2 times of a of m plus n equal to a plus a into mn. Both sides you can cancel a, okay, and here 1 plus mn. Okay, we will move all the numbers on the same side. Mn minus 2m minus n is equal to minus 1. So how to break down this equation? From the first two numbers, I can take m as a common factor, minus 2n. Can I add 4 to take n minus 2 to create m minus 2 here? Okay. So m of n minus 2 times of n minus 2 is equal to 3. Now we can break down into factors. So m minus 2 times of n minus 2 is equal to 3. Now here you can see that this is a Diophantine equation. Diophantine equation. I hope you already know that what is a Diophantine equation and what its rules and regulations. If you don't know and want information about that, please use the comment section that I can make one more video on Diophantine equations. Okay. And here you can, the left side has two factors. So we can express 1 into 3 and 3 into 1. Two choices exist. So first I will take the first choice, which is m minus 2 equal to 1 and n minus 2 is equal to 3. This is case 1. And also we will decide case 2, which states that m minus 2 is equal to 3 and n minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay. And from this m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 5 we have. Actually, the roots are alpha is equal to minus 3 and beta is equal to minus 5. And in this case, alpha is equal to minus 5 and beta is equal to minus 3. But looks like both are similar roots, so that we can go with one case, not needed two different cases. So after getting alpha and beta values, it is easy to create a quadratic equation using this. And so the quadratic equation will be x minus alpha into x minus beta whole square equal to 0. And from that, x plus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x square plus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. So which will gives us a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 8 and c is equal to 15. So after getting these a, b, c values, it is easy to verify whether the given options are correct or wrong. We complete the first part of the problem. Second part, we will go with the verification of the options as they mentioned. C minus b is an integer multiple of a, they are saying. Let's create c minus b. C minus b is equal to c is of course 15, b is 8, which is 12. Oh, sorry, it's not 12. C minus b is 15 minus 8. How much is it? 7. We can write 7 into 1 and 7a you can express. So therefore, it is a multiple of It is a multiple of A, so that option 1 is true for this. Next, both roots are odd integers. Yes, of course, both roots are odd integers only. Both roots, alpha is equal to -3 and beta is equal to -5. Both are odd integers. Of course, negative integers. Yes, it is true. Okay, it is true. See, if C is equal to 15, AB is equal to 8, they are saying. C is equal to 15. AB is equal, they are saying 8. Is it correct? If C is equal to 15, actually what is C? Actually we have C value 15 itself. AB is equal to, of course, A is 1 and B is 8 itself. So 8, it is correct. Option C is also true for this. And if B is equal to 8, then X is equal to 3 is a root of this equation. If B is equal to 8, of course, B is equal to 8. Here also we have, right? And the roots, they are saying X is equal to 3. No, X is not 3. X is -3 is a root. We already seen that fact. So it is a false. So out of all 4 options, A, B, C are correct. And the last one is false. Hence you understood this question. It's very strategic. And here in Diophantine equation, solving is, this knowledge is important. If you are not aware of that, please use the comment section that I will try to make a video on Diophantine equation. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel because every day I will try to upload more videos on your interest, showing interest towards my channel. And please like and share it with your friends. Thank you very much in advance. Bye bye. See you in the next week.